Yeah, very good afternoon. Give me a minute. I'll just set up the whiteboard. Okay, the x, y, and z that we have to find is given in a different format. So 4, 1, 3 is a column matrix and x, y, z is a row matrix. Okay, so 4, 1, 3 is a column matrix which is multiplied with x, y, z, which is a row matrix. Now, this once you multiply these two, you will be getting a 3 into 3 matrix where the values are equal to these matrix. Okay, where the values are equal to these matrix. So we are supposed to find out the x, y, and z. So firstly, what do you observe in this matrix? There is a multiplication between the 4, 1, 3, that is a column matrix, into a row matrix. This is a very easy question. First, let us multiply the 4, 1, 3 into x, y, z. Okay, the rule remains same. First column, first row into first column, second row into first row into first column, first row into second column, first row into third column, then second row into first, second, third column, then third row into first, second, and third column. Okay, so let us start. Solution. So the first thing what we are going to do is consider LHS, that is left hand side, that is nothing but 413 multiplied with x, y, z. Okay, now let us multiply this. So that is nothing but first row into first column, first row into second column, first row into third column. So what is there? First row into first column, that is 4x, first row into second column, that is 4y, and first row into third column, that is 4z. So if you see here, first row in this is 4 and first row here and first column is x, first row is 4, first column is y, second column is y, and first row is 4 and third column is z. So 4x, 4y, 4z. Now next, second row into first column. Second row is 1, first column is x. Second row into second column. Second row is 1, second column is y. Second row into third column. Second row is 1, third column is z. Okay, so you are getting a 3 into 3 matrix. Now third row into first column. So third row into first column, third row into second column, third row into third column. So this will be the resultant of multiplying 413 into XYZ. Did you all understand this step? Everybody understood, because this is the important step in the problem. Okay. Now, since we have multiplied the LHS part, now let us equate it to the RHS, that is this matrix. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we will equate it. So our matrix was 4x, 4y, and 4z, and then 1x, 1y, and 1z, and then 3x, 3y, and 3z. Equate it to the given matrix, that is -4, 8, 4, -1, 2, 1, and -3, 6, 3. Okay. So this is going to be the matrix. Now you can use equality of matrix. So by equality of matrices, now in equality of matrices, what is important is we are gonna equal each and every element. So what we are assuming is 4x is equal to minus 4, 4y is equal to 8, 4z is equal to 4, 1x is equal to minus 1, 1y is equal to 2, 1z is equal to 1. Okay, so this is what we are trying to do here, that is equality of a matrix. Now by equality of a matrix, we will just take the first row, that is 4x of this matrix is equal to minus 4 from the other matrix. Now can we solve for x? X is equal to minus 4 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. So this will be the value of x. Did you understand the value of x? Okay. Now similarly, let us find y. Good. Good, Imran. So y is equal to 2, and say similarly find the value of z also. Yeah, correct, Bindushri. Very good. So next, 4y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 by 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 ones are 4 twos are. So y is equal to 2. And then z is equal to 1. Correct. So 4z is equal to 4. Z is equal to 4 by 4. Therefore, z is equal to 1. So finally, therefore, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 1. So this is our required answer. Understood? Any doubts in this problem? Yeah, only one line solving is also enough. But make sure you you make them understand, yes, I have solved the problem. So these are small problems. Okay, you're asking about this part, right? 4x, 4y, 4z. See, what happens is, once you know the value of x, y, z, if you apply it to other rows, it will give you the same answer. So for example, let us take y. 1 into y. Now we know already what is the y value. So y value is 2. So 2 into 1 will give me 2. Okay. Again, z is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So since if we solve for one row, that is enough. Later we can apply for the other rows. Now, moving on to the statement problems under matrices. Okay. So under the statement problems, this is the first problem. So let us read the question carefully. A company is considering which of the three methods of production it should use in producing the products A, B, and C. So they have A, B, C product, and they are producing A, B, C product in three different methods. Okay, so they're asking us, out of the three different methods, which method is profitable, which method will give me more profit. So let's read that once again. A company is considering which of the three methods of the production it should use in producing the products ABC. The amount of each product produced by each method is shown as below. So this is the amount of each products, or nothing but how much production is done for each product. So this is a production number. This is the first part. Now, further information relating to profit per unit is as under. So they are giving us profit related data. Now, what is that profit related data? For product ABC, what is the profit per unit? Okay, so this is the profit per unit data. And if you see here, using matrix multiplication, find which method maximizes total profit. So out of method 1, 2, 3, which method will increase the profit? That we have to find out. Okay, so for this problem, first we have to derive the numbers into the multiplication format, and the question clearly says matrix multiplication. So we are supposed to use the multiplication property of a matrix and then find the answer. Okay, so let us do that. So firstly, the given production structure in matrix form. Now, what is the production structure? This is the production structure. It is a 3 into 3 matrix that you can form. Correct? Just take out these 1, 2, 3 and ABC. And if you see the numbers here, it is in the 3 into 3 format. So let us put that into a matrix form. And that matrix is called as production structure matrix. So write down that matrix. That is the numbers 482, 571, 339. Okay, so this will be the production matrix. And then they have given us the information about the profit. So these numbers will become the profit matrix. So the per unit profit matrix is, so what was the per unit profit? 10, 4 and 6. Okay, 10, 4 and 6 is the profit matrix. So we had the numbers. Using the numbers, we have formed the matrix. Now they are asking which is the most profitable matrix. They have given us the number of units of production and they have given us the profit. Now let us multiply the given two matrices to find out the total profit. So the question clearly says total profit. So total profit, how do you find out? The formula for the total profit is number of units produced. How many units are we manufacturing multiplied with profit per unit. So this will give me the total profit calculation. Okay, now we have two matrices, that is the production matrix is 482, 571, 339 multiplied with this matrix which is given to us as profit per unit matrix of 10, 4 and 6. Now, if you multiply these two, you will get another matrix, and that will be the total profit matrix. Did you all understand? Any doubts still here? Everybody understood? Okay, now go on and do the multiplication. Multiply both the matrices. Are you all solving it? Yeah, good. Anybody got the answer? Got the answer or got confused? Writing. Okay. Just say me the numbers, Rida. I don't want the brackets for the matrices and all. Just say me the numbers, whatever you've got. So, what are the answers? Still doing. People are slow. Come on. Make it fast. So, the total profit you are supposed to multiply 2 of the, yeah, Ravi, your answer is right. Kirti, you will not get 3 into 3 matrix. You have to add all those numbers. Okay. So listen. So you have to take first row into first column. So if you see here, the other matrix, that is profit matrix, is only one column. Yeah, Rida, the answer is right. So first row into first column, second row into the first column. Since there is only one column matrix, so row into column, row into column, and row into column. Okay, so once you take the first row, 4 into 10 plus 8 into 4 plus 2 into 6. Then 5 into 10 plus 7 into 4 plus 1 into 6. Then 3 into 10 plus 3 into 4 plus 9 into 6. Since there is only one column, you will get a one column matrix again once you simplify. Now if you see here in this column, this is the total profit for the three products. What are the three products? The three products are A, B and C. And they are being manufactured under three methods, that is method 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the total profit. Now if you see the number in the third method, it is highest, that is 96. So what was the question that they asked? They asked us, using multiplication, matrix multiplication, find which method maximizes. So which is the method? Method number 3 will maximize the total profit. How did we come to that conclusion? By seeing this total profit matrix where the first two are of same profit, and the third method, the profit is more. Okay, so you have to write a conclusion here. Therefore, method 3 maximizes profit. Yeah, correct, Arpita. Now, did you understand this problem? Yes? Any doubts in this problem? Okay. Now, let us go to the next problem. Now, these statement problems are very easy. Okay. But only thing you'll have to understand is how to make a matrix out of the data given. If you're able to figure out that, then you'll be able to solve the problem easily. Now, let us read the next question. A man buys 2 dozens of pencils. So, what is he buying? 2 dozens of pencils, 5 dozens of pen, 12 dozens of notebooks. This is what he buys. Only the first sentence. A man buys 2 dozens of pencils, 5 dozens of pens and 12 dozens of notebooks. Now come to the second sentence. Pencils cost. So this was the quantity. First line was the quantity. Now second line is the cost. Pencils cost rupees 30 per dozen. Pens cost rupees 60 per dozen and notebooks cost rupees 100 per dozen. So first they have given us the quantity of the products. Second, they have given us the cost of the products. So which means we can define two matrix. That is, one is quantity matrix. The other one is cost matrix. Okay. Now, represent the quantities bought by the man in a row matrix. See, very clearly the question says the quantity bought, that is 2 dozen, 5 dozen, 12 dozen, represent that in a row matrix and prices by a column matrix and find the total cost. Very easy. So let us start solving this directly. Solution. So first we have to take the quantity as a row matrix. Yeah, very good, Imran. So quantity in matrix form, that is nothing but 2 dozens of pencils, 5 dozens of pens, and 12 dozens of notebooks. So this is a quantity. And then prices in the column matrix. Yeah, correct. Prices are also correct. So then what will be here? I will write it as cost matrix, or we will take it as price only. That will be easier for you to understand. Okay. Price in matrix form. That is nothing but column. So 30 rupees per dozen, 60 rupees per dozen, and 100 rupees per dozen. Okay, so this will be your column matrix. Now you are supposed to find out total cost, which is nothing but quantity into price. Correct? Quantity multiplied with price. Now let us multiply both the matrix. What is a quantity matrix? 2 into, matrix. So 2, 5 and 12 is a quantity matrix. And the price matrix is 30, 60, 100. Now can you multiply this quickly? So first row into first column. I'll just write here again 2, 5, 12, 30, 60, 100. First row into first column. Yeah. So 2 into 30 plus 5 into 60 plus 12 into 100. That's all is the calculation. No too much rocket science. Since there was only first row, first column, just multiply it in a very simple manner. So 2 into 30 is 60, 5 into 60 is 300, 12 into 100 is 1200. Add everything. What is the answer you get?